Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pseudocode, part of data structures using C++ course. Pseudocode is a high-level description of an algorithm written in a natural language or a mix of natural language and programming constructs. It is used to describe the logic and steps of an algorithm without getting bogged down in the syntax and details of a particular programming language. Pseudocode is a useful tool for writing algorithms and for communicating algorithms to others who may not be familiar with the specific programming language being used. Pseudocode typically consists of simple English-like statements using keywords and constructs from programming language such as if, while, for, and return. The goal of pseudocode is to provide a clear and concise description of an algorithm while ignoring specific implementation details. Here is an example of a pseudocode for a simple sorting algorithm. The pseudocode describes a simple sorting algorithm known as selection sort, which sorts an array by repeatedly finding the minimum element in the unsorted portion of the array and swapping it with the first unsorted element. The pseudocode provides a clear and concise description of the algorithm, which can then be easily translated into a specific programming language. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.